Oh, God. Dude, you broke her back.
Let me do that again.
Again.
Are you sure?
All right.
Try mine.
Hey, well, that noise didn't make you worried at all?
Turn to me now.